Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here, and we're starting our first video of the year. It's Chapter 1, Section 1, Comparing and Ordering Whole Numbers. You know, as humans, we compare information all the time, and many times we use numbers to compare. Let's actually take a look at a problem and see what we're getting ourselves into. It says Belize's 2000 population was 249,183 people. Iceland's 2000 population was 276,365 people. Which country had more people? Well, it might be obvious to some right off the bat, but let's take a strategy real quick. I'm just going to highlight some important information. So, working with word problems, one cool trick, again, it's to highlight only the important information. So I'm reading through the problem a little bit slower this time. Belize's 2000 population was 249,183 people. And I'm just going to highlight this value right here. Also, Iceland's 2000 population was 276,365 people. So I'm going to highlight this. These two values look to be important. And then the most important part here is which country had more people. What's this question asking us to do with the information that's highlighted? Well, I'm going to take the information that's highlighted and rewrite it below. I'm just going to write the important facts. Big B, Belize has 249,183 people, while Iceland, big I, has 276,365. All right, let's take these two numbers and ask ourselves, what can we do to figure out which value is larger? So one trick here is to see if one value has more digits than the other. And the trick here, I can see that Belize has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Guess what? Iceland does too. But there is another trick, and that's to compare the two digits on the far left. Is one greater than the other? In this case, hey, no. So now all I have to do is run through each digit and see where the place values are different. And I can see here in the 10,000s place value that the digits are different. And Iceland has the digit 7, which is larger than Belize's value. So we know that Iceland has more people. Great, let's move on to a second problem. And in the second problem, we're going to need some clean paper first, and I'll just post it up on the screen here. So it says order the numbers from least to greatest. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the important information here. The numbers that we have are 675, 1044, and 497, but the important information I see is least to greatest. So let's highlight that. It doesn't say greatest to least. Well, first thing I'm just going to say, hey, how many digits does each value have? Well, 1044 has 4 digits, so obviously it's the largest of the three values. And now I'm going to take 675 and 497 and compare them. I'm going to look at the digit furthest to the left because they both have 3 digits. I'm looking at the one that's furthest to the left, and I'm looking and comparing 4 and 6. Well, 6 is greater than 4, so my smallest number is 497. But let's throw a number line up on the screen and have some fun with this problem. We're going to actually label these numbers on the number line. So I've got my marker here, and I'm going to place my smallest value of 497. I know 497 is very close to 500, and I'm just going to go ahead and mark that. And let's write 497 up above here. 497. Great. Moving forward from here, let's find out the next largest number, which is 675, and place it on the number line. And let's go ahead and place 675 here. But what about 1044? So I'm going to write 1044. And that's it. See you in the next video, and looking forward to having a great year.